Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Welcome to my Pilates studio here in Los Angeles. And today we are going to talk about the reverse push through on the Cadillac. I love this exercise. It's not for everybody though. So a couple things. If you have really, really tight shoulders, before you jump into this exercise, make sure you've actually done the work to open them up. Maybe long back stretch on the Cadillac is a good one for you. Um, you can do some mat work, double leg kick will really help open up those shoulders. I would also strongly suggest doing the arm series on the small barrel or on the spine corrector. Anything that's going to help you open up your chest and shoulders, because this bar is not as wide as the rollback bar. It is going to pull your arms in a more narrow space. So if your arms go numb, this exercise isn't for you yet. Right? We do want to get you there. It's going to help with a lot of things, but be mindful of that for yourself. So you want to do a spring from above. And there's a couple ways to get into this exercise. You can set up from your push through, and then you can just spin around, right? Be careful of your shoulder if you don't have someone here to help you. And this will be pretty good, right? The other way to get into it is if you do your teaser and you're set up in a good spot from your teaser, right? Where the bar is kind of barely grazing your head or where the bar is above your neck. Then you can roll up and then you can reach back. Now that makes me a little far away, but for some people it's also just perfect. So you want to just find a spot where you can reach back with both arms, have your legs out straight. You're going to do both hand positions, okay? So be careful. We don't want to hang off the bar and we don't want to push us around. Just like on the push through, you want to be in charge of your spring. So when you go into your push through, keep your elbows soft, especially if you're a hyperextender like me. Pull your center back, 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 and hold. Now, I don't want to hang off. This would be not good. So you want to make sure you're reaching back and reaching forward. So my arms are reaching back, but my legs are reaching forward. So my center is nice and long and light. Then as I come forward, I don't want the bar to shove me around. So I'm going to lift my center up and then lift the bar up. Now, if that's too close, you're going to move forward, right? If it's just right, stay where you are. Kind of figure it out on that first one. Now, right here, it's really easy to hang off the bar again. Again, I'm going to reach into the bar from my back, and I'm going to lift my center up and reach my legs away. I'm going to push through, right? And I reach, so I'm never hanging off. I'm never just like living in the stretch and letting the spring take over or gravity take over. Then after 3, like that, you would flip your palms and you would do 3 more. Oh, this one is very delicious. Also, easy and tempting to get stuck and let it stretch you. Always reach into it. Then you're in control and you don't get overstretched and something not fun happens. And you actually are working your muscles and getting a stretch in them, which will actually help open you up, right? So after 3 of those, you can lift your spring up. If you have someone teaching you, you can have them lift the spring up and you can fold forward and enjoy a nice stretch. Again, if this is not ready for you yet, like I said, your fingers go numb. The long back arms on the rollback bar are really, really great for helping prepare for this. And the small barrel series is also really good. Always just keep checking back, right? So if you go to do this and it's not great, go do other things to help open your chest and strengthen your back connection, and then come back and give this a try. You can always do it without a spring if you want. It's a little trickier, but it's very helpful if the spring is overpowering you. If you have any questions, any requests, please put them in the comments below. Check out other Cadillac exercises here on this playlist. And if you make sure you subscribe, then you're not going to miss any one of our how-to videos. I'm Lesley Logan. I'm so grateful that you're here, and thank you so much